Ekiama ya Jubilee NIGO bono kegochia kubwaterana n'abakenya konekia KOGIKERIA OMOSWADA BW'ECHIBESA bomwaka bw'echiribobere 25 nemo aiga nkoreng'ano n'omokonyi b'omorai bw'Ekiama ekio Dr. Fred MATIANG'I asatebire Eserekari yasinyirwe okwarera abakenya amagendero na NIGO abakenya bagenderete koetera amakong'u
okwana kurasa magacha manene y'Ekiama ekio MATIANG'I NIGO boiga mochire Eserekari asemechande ebwatiranite ense asibana atebire Eserekari yabo nererachi kurunge yense mulikito Linet Nyambane namange
omokonyi bw'omorai bw'Ekiama ya Jubilee oyuboigo okwerurukia ebendera y'Ekiama ekio asobochori borebosio asekerogo kyoborai bwense Fred MATIANG'I otebire Ekiama ekio NIGO kegochia kubwaterana n'abakenya bande ase KOGIKERIA OMOSWADA BW'ECHIBESA bw'omwaka bw'echiribubere 25 no.
Wakati umefika, if they did not see this danger, wakati umefika wa kufanya mjadala. Lakini sisi kama chama cha Jubilee wa kwanza kusema tunajiunga na wakenya wengine kukataa finance bill 2026, reject finance bill 2026. Ukiangalia yale ambayo yako kwa hiyo finance bill, unashangaa tutaishi wapi na tutaenda wapi. The cost of living is already unbearable for many.
Ukwana korwa asechi abisi ch'Ekiama ekio imeomucho Nairobi MATIANG'I NIGO aruro koboria gochia ase Eserekari KOGIKERIA emechando abakenya bagwetera.
I would like to urge our leaders take time now to address the challenges we face or at least show a sense of understanding and respect for the public by attempting a conversation on the challenges that we face. The challenges we face in this country have nothing to do with a tribe. So you cannot say huwezi kusema hii shida imeletwa na Wakikuyu ama hii shida imeletwa na Wakamba ama imeletwa na kina fulani. Hiyo ni tabia ya mtu ambaye ameshindwa kufanya kazi. Kwa sababu mahali popote utaenda katika taifa letu la Kenya, watu wanaumia na watu wanalia. Kila wakati sisi wengine tunajiuliza hawa wenzetu viongozi wanaishi wapi?
Chinga kiechecho NIGO boigo eri Eserekari anene asarorekanire kumuiraneria omuwaziri bw'oborendi bw'emeyense Kipchumba Murkomen asateba oborai bwa Uhuru Kenyatta magutana kinete korende korobekana ati kweneketigwe. NIGO bono abarai b'Ekiama ekio batebire buna Eserekari ereroro NIGO yasinyirwe gokorera abakenya emeremu.
Kusema eti kwa sababu wakati ule pia mafuta ilienda juu wakati mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta alikuwa rais, mbona hakukuwa na shida? Niko najibu kwa sababu we were responsible leaders. Sisi tuliongea na wananchi na tukawaheshimu. Kukiwa na shida na kukiwa na maneno kama hayo, tulikuwa tunaita hata private sector, Kenya Private Sector Alliance, Kenya Association of Manufacturers na wale wengine, tunaketi chini tunazungumza nao. Viongozi wa dini wote wakituitisha tulikuwa tunafanya kikao nao, tunaongea nao na magavana na wale wengine, because democracy is government by consultation and government by along. Lakini sasa this arrogance that we see here and juvenile hubris that you are witnessing ndio shida.
The strike that just ended has not only exposed the problems facing the country, but has actually shown a government that is inept, that is unable to govern, that is actually punishing the Kenyan citizens in all the spheres of their lives.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omocho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
For being the government that has generated the most excuses to govern. Oh, we inherited empty coffers. Oh, it is Uhuru. Oh, it was Raila and Azimio. Oh, it is who. I mean, someone else is to blame. Not their own failure to manage the country.